Oh my god, you look so funny.
I don't like this one. It hurts already. This one, an hour after it hurt. Everybody know. Oh, why did you go off for one time? How am I supposed to eat? Now people are gonna say I'm too skinny again.
Oh, this thing is gonna go viral.
I'm gonna be sick at food. Oh,
Keep it in there, keep it in there, keep it in there.
oh,
Keep it in there. Oh no, keep it in there, keep it in there.
I'm fine, niggas.
I'm gonna get an antibiotic and we'll get you guys going.
Okay.
No painkiller. I don't know.
Is
Is
this
this
real
real
life?
How long did I tell you to open it and stick another one in? And yeah, I feel good. I feel wrong.
I think you don't need. I don't think you need any more right now.
This stuff is so good. How did you get this stuff? I feel so dry.
This is so worth waking up early in the morning.
So what do I do now?
I don't know, but you look like
Okay, minus the claws. Is my mouth so really big?
a. Not yet. It's gonna get swollen though.
Nigga, it hurts already.
Wow.
I thought it's not supposed to hurt for a while. It turned off for you. See that? Turned off right here. And it's bleeding?
No, it's bleeding a little bit, but that's why you gotta keep the gauze there.
It hurt. It hurt right here. What time is it?
I don't know. It's not. It's only been like an hour.
Why is this hurt so bad?
That one's probably more impacted. They had to cut a little bit more or something.
Did they fuck with my dog? Did it look skinnier? Do I look skinnier? Did I do any career shit?
No, you don't look skinny.
My lips are so bad, dude. I got some calories.
Oh shit! Your lips are hella dry.
I know.
Oh, you look.
Niggas can't put some Vaseline on my lips. Why I help me out? Are they getting me drugs? What are they doing?
They're gonna discharge you in a minute. And just wait until the doctor says you can go.
Can you smoke weed?
I don't think so.
I need some painkillers. Meow.
Meow.
I meow. I meow. I meow meow. I'm ready to go. Yeah.
Alright, stop talking now. Stop talking. You should stop. Just let your mouth rest.